Hi, this is Naomi Johnson with another marketing tip. When people arrive on your website, they'll be coming in to different pages and different posts throughout your site, and that could be because they're coming through search engines that have pulled up that page based on a keyword that they've searched for. When they come to your website, there needs to be an action point that they take, some way of getting in contact with you and knowing why your content is relevant to them right now. So you might want to put a promotion on there saying, hey, read this free book, read this free report, or get in contact now for coaching. I've got a special offer on, I'm doing 50% off or a free introductory session. Now, all of these promotions, you want to make sure they're up to date and you don't have promotions up there that are out of date. But you also, when you update your promotion, you don't want to have to go through each page and change every single one. You just want it to appear on the page. In the WordPress theme that we've got available for you here, we have got a really great feature. So I'm just going to show you on the Marketing Help for Coaches website how this looks. You'll see that I've got my blog post as the home page, and at the top here I've got a new blog post. So I'm going to click on there, and this is one that I wrote just yesterday, and I wanted people to take action as a result of reading this. I just didn't want them to be left hanging going, well, what comes next? So I put at the bottom, hey, enjoyed this article, you may also be interested in, and I put my book and Hannah's book, and so people can click on there and go through and purchase the book if they wanted to. I could put anything there. I could say, hey, we've got 50% off coaching right now, or we're doing a 1 month free into the membership site. I could put anything there. Now, once this post is up, and I'm not going to keep going back in and changing it because that just takes way too much time. It's not a good use of time for anyone. But I might not want this to be the offer here all the time. I might want to change it because people will drop in to the website on these different posts, and I don't want out of date stuff, and I want them to know the most relevant thing I'm doing. So this is actually programmed with what's called a widget. The page content is all here, all fine, but underneath, what I've actually got in here is a widget, so it doesn't actually look like this at all. And here you will see the back end of this post. And literally just at the bottom, I've got this code here. And so when you're actually looking at the page, all you're seeing is this code. When you look at the page itself, you see this here. And I can change that if I want to have anything else in there that I choose. I'm going to show you what a widget looks like. Inside your dashboard, under widget appearance widgets, you have the ability to set different things up. You've got all of these different options to drag and drop in. It's really easy to manage. So we've got our widgets here, and this is our sidebar option, everything that appears on the sidebar of the website, but that's another video. What we've got down here is something a bit more special. We've got opt-in ad boxes, and we've got quite a few of them. If you click on those, you'll see that here is my Aweber JavaScript. So for the newsletter, I might want to put my newsletter in there. So sign up for my latest newsletter, and I can put an Aweber scripting in. And this is literally the Java code that comes straight off of Aweber. It drops in there, and then that can appear if I wanted it to at the end of a blog. But let's not complicate things too quickly. Let's go and find the one that is what we just saw, the book. Here we go. So this is the widget you just saw. It said, enjoy this article, you may also be interested in. And here is the table that's put together for that as you saw it. This is just raw code that actually I didn't write myself. I just copy pasted it off of my shopping cart and bunged it in, and it's right there. So I just put that together in this box. And then wherever I want this to appear, I literally just come and I cut this shortcode, bracket widget ID equals opt-in ad center box 3. I literally copy paste that. I go over to my my article, and literally just at the bottom I've got this code here, the one I just picked up, and I can change that if I want to have anything else in there that I choose. I could come up here, I could say, well, this form that I've created on Aweber, I want that to appear at the bottom of that too, so I'm just going to come and put that in the box too. Anything that appears in this box will appear on that post. So if I go back to the post, I refresh it, we see the offer that's written there, which is actually, this particular one is for the free ebook. So I might want that, I might not want that, but I can just put that in. You can see just how quickly that built together. Now if I just say I don't want to do this anymore, I'm going to take that off, I can just drag and drop it back to where it was. And I can also take this one, I can drag it away. I might not want to get rid of it altogether. I might put it back into inactive web widgets over here, and then it'll just store it for me and I can use something else. I might want to tell people about a new webinar series, and here's a widget that I made for that when I was doing it. So then I can put that in there and say new webinar series, that's the most relevant thing going on in my business right now. That's what I want you to know about. Please sign up, take action. Be as quick as easy as drag and drop, and then it's all up to date for you. You can use these widgets to put in social media buttons, YouTube. You can put search boxes on there. You can have, if you use GetResponse or Aweber, there's forms there for that. You can customize your menu, put a calendar on. All of these things, you just drag and drop it onto the other side. For example, here's a special offer I actually don't want anymore on the website, so I can just drag and drop that one in inactive widgets. And that is how you can keep your promotions on your website up to date and keep people coming through into your business, knowing exactly what's going on and taking advantage of your most up-to-date promotions. This is Naomi Johnson from marketinghelpforcoaches.com and onlineeffortlessly.com.